Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be installing this front splitter on my 2019 Honda Civic Touring. I got this splitter from one of the local seller here in Toronto, and this is called a CS style splitter. I'm not really sure what exactly CS style means, but yeah, that's what it's called. And so it also comes with all the necessary hardware like this double-sided tape as well as screws. So I will be taking this splitter to one of the mechanic here in the Toronto area, and I want to have it installed professionally. I know it's not that hard of a job, but I would like to have it done professionally. The reason is I have never done anything like that, before by myself, so I just don't want to screw anything up, and I'm just kind of like nervous to do it by myself. Alright, so we are here, and as you can see, the car is going into the garage, and I have talked to the guy, and he is generous enough for letting me record the installation process, so a huge shout out to him. The splitter itself comes in 3 pieces, and we will be actually putting all the 3 pieces together before actually it goes on the car.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
Jason.
Jason?
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Jason.
Nice to meet you. The whole front lip?
Yes, it comes in like 3 parts.
Three parts.
Yeah. I think this is the middle part. Yeah, that's the one.
That's the middle part.
Yep. Yeah, probably like, on this. This this gonna go like under the
Yeah.
bumper anyways, right?
Doesn't come with hardware or anything?
Yeah, I think there are screws and like a tape in the box. I don't think we're gonna need all of these, right?
Let's see.
How many holes do you think we might have to drill? Oh yeah, true, that's true. These ones. Yeah, true.
So we'll be jacking up the car, as you can see now, and it's just gonna help us access the underneath of the front bumper easier. Okay, so in order to put all the three pieces together, we're just gonna need some screws, and there you go.
Part of the bumper now.
Yeah, perfect. It looks a little bit lower as well.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Like about almost an inch.
Yeah, yeah.